Hey there, are you having trouble with your Outlook email not working on your iPhone? Whether you're dealing with syncing issues, emails not loading, or connection troubles, I've got you covered. This guide will walk you through some simple troubleshooting steps to get your Outlook email back up and running. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First, swipe down to open the control center. Next, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure you have a stable connection. Now open a browser and check your internet speed to confirm your connection is fast and working properly. Solution 2. Force close and restart the Outlook app. Start by swiping up from the bottom or double-click the home button if you're using an older model. After that, locate the Outlook or Mail app. Then swipe up on the app to close it. Now restart your iPhone and open the Outlook app again. Solution 3. Verify Outlook account settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down to find the app section. Tap on the Mail app. Next, tap on Accounts. Select your Outlook account from the list. Ensure that all settings including server and port information are accurate. Then turn off Mail and turn it back on. Solution 4. Clear app cache by offloading. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Outlook app, then tap on Offload app. Tap Offload again to confirm, and then reinstall the app. Solution 5. Remove and re-add your Outlook account. Open the Settings app once again, scroll down to the app section, tap on Mail. Next, tap on Accounts. Select your Outlook account and tap on Delete account. After that, tap on Add account. Select Outlook and follow the prompts to re-add your account. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and choose Reset network settings. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues that are preventing your Outlook email from working on your iPhone. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to ask for more help. Happy emailing!